Hey, what's up? So we're out here at Gears and Grinds, I guess it's called. You guys know me, I usually don't do any of this kind of stuff. I just usually stick to myself. But I brought the Camaro out. We'll see what's going on over here. This thing's cooler than shit.
I honestly, I tell everyone, like, here I feel less stressed and at peace because I don't do constantly busy.
This thing's super rad, man. I like it.
Thank you.
What is it?
Fire truck.
From
Yitan Village Fire Station number 4
Fire Station number 4? Okay.
in Japan.
Alright, because I got a buddy who's Japanese. His grandma's from Japan.
Cool.
She'll get a kick out of this thing. She's 96 or something.
Oh, cool.
It's rad, dude. I like it.
That's a 2.4 liter normally aspirated diesel,
Really?
4-wheel drive, 5-speed manual, locking diffs. Drove at about 65 miles an hour the whole way on the highway from Portland.
From Portland?
Got back in.
So, I don't know what people think, or I don't know what like happens or anything like that whatsoever. But this is just some of the shit you see in a shop. I mean, I don't know what kind of sorcery was going on here, but this whole thing has been cut and all the way up in there. Yes. I mean, look at this. Who knows? I forgot to point out, this is what a factory one that has not been messed with looks like. So, like I said, I don't know what kind of fuckery is going on in here.